Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I am just doing a bit of organising around the house and giving a bit of a tidy up, and I thought I'd take you along with me as I do so. So basically some of the systems that I have in the house fitted my older life but don't fit the current life that I'm living. So basically what I want to do today is just clear out all that old space, so then I am able to redo this area and make it an area that I am actually able to use in the future. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and of course if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course turn on the notification bells so you don't miss another video. Okay, so this is the cupboard that I'm talking about. You've seen it before. This is my little study nook. So originally this was built to house DVDs, because we used to have all the DVDs like over here on the wall here, and obviously it just looked crappy and I hated it. So I insisted on building something that I could house all that in, and you know, Talia's dad was a gamer, so all these shelves here perfectly fit the size of DVDs. So that is not really that practical for what I'm using it for. So yeah, I've got a couple of CDs up the top there, a line of CDs. The remaining of the DVDs, which is left, because this was literally chock full, and then the rest is just like books and craft like bits for Talia. Then I've just got some office supplies, and you can see it's just always a dumping zone. It's just always a mess. And then down here I've got the filing cabinet and my ridiculously expensive vacuum, which is like a dust collector at the moment. So I really need to get this place finished, tiled, so I can actually start using it. So today's plan is just to literally clear all this stuff out, so I am able to, you know, redo all the shelving and stuff like that in here and make this a usable space for us to use in the future. Okay guys, I can honestly say I'm not looking forward to sorting this out and putting them all back. I think this is why I have like put it off for so long, because if I show you the mess, this one, which I've actually put some of this back already because the camera died, and then I've got all this over here, and then look, I've still got, oh, and this over here, and then I've still got like the filing cabinet to go through. I've got to move the printers, whatever's in there, and then all the stuff up the very top, which is another 2 shelves up there. So what I'm thinking of doing is just going into the craft room now and just organising what I've already like got in these baskets before it goes any more out of control, and at least I can get something done for the day. Okay, so this is just some of the mess that's been left in here. I did start to throw a heap of rubbish out. I do need to buy a bin for under here, I think, so then all the rubbish can just go away. But yeah, so yes, I have got to do the organising of the drawers. These organisers here are like something that I'm trialling that I might sell, because I can buy these wholesale. So I'll see how I go and if I like them or not. They actually stack as well, and they come in like all different sizes. So the small ones, and then they've got the 3 dividers. They've actually even got like square ones as well. So guys, just looking at this, it's a little overwhelming. I didn't realize there was so much stuff here, and also I haven't really got a game plan, which is not like me. I usually have a game plan or some sort of idea of what I'm going to do with it. So I'm just going to organise it with what I've got today, and I will have to go and buy organisers and do it properly another day. But today I'm just going to organise and group things into categories and just get it in there and get it going so it is usable at this point. So let's jump into it. So I just grabbed one of these tubs from my room because I'm actually not using any of that section anymore that you've seen me have my bed linen in. Yes, there will be a makeover video of that room soon. But yeah, I am now able to use these, so I'm thinking of putting in all this Play-Doh stuff into this tub.
There's no such thing as time when we You don't have to say anything. I don't want you to think too much. Let our bodies soak in the sun. Yeah, there's no need to run, no rush. You're my caffeine in the morning.
Okay, so this is the first area that I want to organize, because as you can see, I've just it was my grocery list, and then as I've got my new grocery meal planner thing, I don't use this anymore, but I still write my appointments on it, and I've just been adding to it. So I probably should really fix that. So what I was thinking is I'll just make a whole new thing for appointments, and then I might add something else onto it, and if I like it, I might actually get some final labels or something made up for this and make it like a proper board system going on. But I'm just going to see what works for me at the moment. So
let our bodies soak in the sun. Yeah, there's no need to run. You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like I'm on top of the world.
So this is what it's looking like. I decided I'm going to keep the shopping list, but this is for other things that aren't like grocery shopping. And then I've got like my list of appointments. And then this week I'm thinking that I might have to try and get this off somehow. It's actually chalkboard texture, but it's not coming off. Like, I wiped straight over that and it didn't come off. So I'm glad I didn't use texture like all the time for these. But anyway, I was thinking of just writing my inspirational quotes here, because this is was supposed to be for things that I needed to do this week, but I don't really use it. I just look at my appointments there and I know. So anyway, so let's go back to the other job now. So this is a progress that has been made. I obviously haven't got too much further. All this here is rubbish, guys. Like, literally. I decluttered all that. How good is that? These are massive bags, by the way, like massive, massive bags. So I'm pretty happy about that. I had to keep that just to show you. So today I'm just going to file all this stuff here and then finish what's in the other room. And the room is still looking like a bomb. So I'll quickly fix that. Okay, so this is how we're looking. The desk is clear again. I need to take this out, actually get a tub for it, to be honest. It's all Easter decorations. This I have to go through because I don't have the time at the moment. I have an appointment that I have to go to, so I'm gonna leave that for the minute and I'll do that when I get back. And then this stuff's gonna go out to the shed. I'm gonna need an extra craft box. I actually think I just need to go through this one and just get rid of some of it and be real with myself. What have I got time to do at the moment, isn't it? And then over here I have some books in the bottom here, which is only like 2 books left. So my filing cabinet stuff, And then I've just got sewing in here. I've got arts books in this one. I've got workbooks in this one. Then I have all the Play-Doh toys, and then all the other messy play stuff is up here. So that is just how it's looking. It's getting a bit more organised, it's getting there. The drawers are not organised how I like them. Like, they look very, very messy. I just got these organisers and just threw them in, to be honest, just to get them somewhere, and it'll definitely be redone in the future. I don't love it at all. The bottom is just junky, I'm not even going to show you that. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and this has like inspired you just to get some things done around the house and just to declutter a little bit. I have decluttered that much. You saw the bags before. I have another plastic bag full of stuff in here. So I have so much stuff, and then another pile of like recycling stuff as well. So yeah, just get it done and just be done with it. As I said, I've still got to declutter like my craft box, and like the filing cabinet definitely needs decluttering, but I thought I'd just get this sort of stuff done today and just be done with it, and then I can move on to the next bit. So little bit by little bit we'll get there. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and of course if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another video, and I will catch up with you next week for a new video. I'll see you then. Bye.